Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website that I found recently on internet which offers a LLM playground section where you can test and use all the premium AI models. So if you directly type free LLM playground, the very first website which comes, it has all the models: OpenAI, Claude, Opus, Google Gemini 3, DeepSeek, Quen. So once you land on the website, the page will look something like this. You can get started without creating any kind of account. Here you can see no sign up, no API keys required, just type and run the models. And it's, you can compare different models, run with variables, everything is there. So it's an open source website. You can use this unlimited free. These are all the models which are supported. You can see we have GPT, we also have Claude, Gemini as well. So it can even do web search, live data, everything. So definitely check out this website. Now to get started, you have the option to sign up. So it just take it 2 minutes to sign up. You can continue with your Google account. So you can sign up, but there is no restriction out there. You can get started without signing up. So I will simply type a question. From here you can select any model, as you see that from this list. Click on run. I Let me just sign up right here. Just wait. So right here you will enter your email address and then the password. You can click on create account to create an account as well, like this. This is the website that offers this feature right here. You also have the ability to continue with your email and password right here as well. So once you sign up, you will be able to use this website, free LLM playground section. So 400 plus users are already using this LLM playground section. So the free model, as you see, provides up to 50 chats per day, reset daily. So it allows up to use it 50 chats per day. So this is actually the limit of it. So you can see that. So definitely check this out. So these are different questions which are there. So you simply type a prompt and stream a response. And you can even export this to JSON as well with clear caps, 50 chats per day. You can get to access all the major models: OpenAI, GPT, Anthropic, Claude, Google, Gemini, Meta, Mistral. So you don't need API key. You can start immediately. Yes, you get 50 chats per day with fair use, throttling, no sign up, no card required. So yeah, so it's completely free. 50 chats per day, which is more than enough. So these are all the questions which are there. You can read more about it right here. They also have an API as well. You can reach to them. So almost 400 users are using it. So definitely check this out. Just wait, I'm logging in. So once you log in, you click on continue and continue the account here. So once you log in right here, you will be redirected to this. Simply answer this question. So once you will be redirected to the dashboard page, right here you click on new chat. And from here you select any kind of model that you want to. Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus is also there. You select the model. After that, so it's a free playground section. After you do this, they also offer the pro plan as well. So one-time payment. So lifetime access you can get $60 USD, and 1 year pass also $49 as well. So from here you will be removing ads, pop-ups, 150 AI models, AI playground section and chats, 1 GB storage, prompt evaluation, management, everything you will get. So it's a one-time payment as well. So definitely check out this website.